Good evening, everybody. This is Chester with Hi Ho Adventures. Hi to the Ho Adventures. I think that might be my intro now. What do you guys think? Too much? I feel like I always need an intro of some sort and an outro. I feel like I like my outro a lot. If you guys haven't seen my outro, why aren't you guys watching my entire video? Tell me. Tell me in the comments. I know my vlogs are pretty rough and like very harsh cuts and everything, but I'm still learning, so bear with me. In due time, maybe in like 10 years, 20 years, hopefully sooner than that. I do have a full-time job, so I can't really devote all my time to this, but I think it's just awesome for me to document our trips and experiences the best way I can, or at least in the best ability that I can portray the story or the vacation or the trips that we go on or what have you. But I'm not that great of a storyteller, nor am I great at speaking. I don't, like I said in earlier vlogs, this is why I'm doing it. I'm forcing myself to speak a little bit more. Yeah, I am pretty exhausted mentally and physically. That whole trip was it was pretty draining. I just need that vacation from the vacation kind of deal. So we do have things booked out still on Saturday in LA. I think we're still going to try and make our way out there. Probably look for a hotel tonight and just drive out there Friday, come back Sunday. So be wary. I'm probably going to be tired on the next couple vlogs. Fair warning. Future Chester, you're doing just fine. Am I doing just fine? I don't know. But anyways, I want to give you guys an update on the glass shelving that I got for all my Funko Pops. So I decided to move everything in this corner or this side of the room instead of where it was right here. A couple of reasons. I think eventually I want to put like a sofa or something right here. I think Katie's been wanting it so that she can hang out with me while I work, or okay, maybe not work, because if I'm working she should be working. But she just wants to hang out in here sometimes, and maybe for the dogs, I guess. But my lighting has finally arrived. So I'm going to be putting up some of these lights that go on, I think, each shelf on the glass. I think I only have one kit. It's just a LED strip. I only have one kit for one glass shelving, just because they only had one in stock, and it's shipped from, where's this shipped from? Oh, from Singapore. So I think I ordered these like 2.5, 3 weeks ago, and it finally arrived. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these up and see what you guys think. All right, and here we are. So it's just little LED bands or ribbons that are kind of wired and soldered together, and it's stuck. It has a little adhesive. Oh my gosh, adhesive on the back of them, where we can just stick right in the glass or on top of the wood. I don't know. I mean, it is pretty low profile, so when I look from afar, it's not too bad, but my OCD is kicking in right now and it's really bugging me. So we'll see how this works. I do like how it illuminates all tiers of the shelving, all shelves, I should say. But this first one's a little dimmer because there's not as much light shining through. Looks like the lower and the lower you get, the brighter and brighter it gets. But anyways, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna order the second kit for this bookshelf display case. So yeah, I think I'll be okay with it. The one thing I want to say, I have it plugged into like a desktop type charger thing. That cable is a USB, which is kind of nice. So I might have to get like a timer or some sort that'll trigger via USB or something like that. Maybe something like a smart device. Um, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I did want to mention I just picked up this. Let's see, Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, and Brer Bear. Oh my gosh, I can't. Tongue twister. Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, Brer Bear. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm not gonna say that anymore. But yeah, I wanted to complete these two sets. As you guys may know, Splash Mountain is will be refurbished to a, well, I wouldn't say refurbished, right? What was that word called? Rethemed. It's Splash Mountain will be rethemed to a different ride or a different theming, and that is Princess and the Frog. So I think it kind of makes sense. I do love Splash Mountain. You know, I've been on that since I was a kid with my parents, so a lot of good memories. But I guess with this day and age, it does make sense to, you know, go with what everyone wants and likes. But yeah, that's it for these bookshelves. I think I'm going to pick up a couple more Funko Pops if I can get my hands on them, and if money allows. But yeah, this one was a little bit more expensive because I didn't get it when it released. I was just at Disneyland when that was released, so yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. I like these. Some of these are kind of expensive, just like this Steamboat Willie one. That is my prized possession, along with the Sleeping Beauty Castle with Walt Disney. And thank you to my cousin David out in Florida. I tried so hard to get this Funko Pop via online. I was wanting to even drive out there to just pick this one up, but I couldn't. One, because work, and two, it sold out on the internet within seconds, literally seconds. So David, he went out of his way and went to Walt Disney World and picked one up and shipped it to me. So thank you to my cousin. I love you. Thanks. And he also helped me get the bronze statue, the partner statue of Walt and Mickey. It's actually quite heavy. I think it is actual real bronze. So I want to say it's about like 2 pounds, maybe. But yeah. So ever growing, I do have a little bit more. So I might have to get more shelving, but I moved this like 5-tiered shelf into my room just so I can house things. I need more shelving. Man, this is becoming a problem. All right, so it's about 6 o'clock right now. I think I'm about to go wash my car because the sun is going down, and it was a nightmare seeing all those bugs on my car. If you guys know me, I'm a little bit of a clean freak. I vacuum like almost every day. I wipe things down, and I just like things clean. So the car, I usually wash it once a week. I do have a very specific method in washing it. And you know, I invested in car paint protection, just like a clear bra, and it's also ceramic coated. Shout outs to Dynamic Tint. You guys are amazing. So thank you for doing that for me. But yeah, let's go wash my car. Yeah, before I go and wash my car, Katie is getting off of work and supposed to go pick up the dogs right now. So kind of empty nesters right now. I miss my dogs very much right now, especially Big Nasty, which is Timber. Timber is my husky pit mix, and Briggy is the other. Well, actually, we have 3 dogs, so I shouldn't say the other. Briggy is the middle child, and she is, oh man, she is a mix. She is a She has a border collie in her, Australian cattle dog, Chow Chow, German Shepherd. She is a work horse. She's a working dog. She loves to play and won't stop. So, but they should be coming back tonight. Oh, and I forgot to mention the lost child, the eldest, Cuddy. Um, he's a little Maltipoo. He's at my parents', and I think I'm gonna go pick him up this weekend instead. So he likes to be at his grandma's. But yeah, let's go wash our car. Our car, my car. All right, here is the damage, or I caused the damage on a lot of. I terminated a lot of bugs' lives. Not from Disney, but yeah, it's looking kind of rough. Look at that. Ooh, that's a lot of bugs. But anyways, I want to walk over here. I have everything kind of organized. These are my wash mitt, glass. Oh my gosh, is that a leaf? Yoinks. Probably still gonna use that. And then a lot of drying towels. Interior use, exterior, lights and darks. I was too lazy to roll them up and fold them. But yeah, in here, I think this drawer won't open. I don't know what's in there now. A squeegee if I ever needed to. What is this? This is supposed to be like not wax, clay. That's supposed to be reusable. That's kind of scary. I don't ever use it on my car. And just some extra brushes and whatnot, and all my chemicals I use. That's a lot. I do like chemical guy stuff. I just started using it and just stuck with it. But yeah, let's get washing. All right, so I don't know why I didn't notice this earlier, but there's still sunlight out. I said the sun was going down, and it's about 5 o'clock, and the sun sets much later in the day, probably like, I'm gonna say 7. But anyways, I'm gonna get started. If you're washing your car, you always wanna do it when there's no direct sunlight, because the water evaporates so quick and you're just gonna have streaking galore. So always on a cool paint. So I'm going to do this kind of quick, but not so quick, but kind of quick, just to get it done. So yeah, I power washed it, then soaked it in some bubbles or soap, and then power washed that off, and then I foam cannoned the car again, and then used a wash mitt to scrub off any remaining bugs and dirt that power washing and soaking in some soap mist. So here's the results. So it's much cleaner now. I just gotta dry it off. The sun has gone down, so I have a bit of time to work with now. But it's essentially all gone. Power washing and letting it soak a little bit in, in a foam cannon type suds. Man, that thing it works magic. So since I lost this video, I think I'll make a new, how I wash my car, like a detail kind of thing. If you guys like, leave a comment for me if you guys want it. If not, then hit the dislike button. I don't care. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that. When I do wash my car, it takes about like 3 to 4 hours from start to finish, and that's just washing. That's not really detailing or anything like that. So let me know in the comments. All right, and there we have it. A nice clean car. I'm just going to do exterior wash because yeah, I'm kind of lazy, and I did do the interior before we left, and it's not too dirty, so it's clean again. Look at all these bugs. I think some of these stains, like this one, I don't know if you can see it. I'll hit it with some like exterior, what's it called, detailing spray. But then this is a clear bra, so I think I have a thing for it. And look who's back. Katie's back from work, picked up the dogs from the other grandma, and I don't know if you can see Big Nasty in there. Oh, Big Nasty. Oh, I think she went too far. Hey. Hi, Briggy. Does she not recognize me? Hi, Briggy. Hi, Timber. Hi, Timber. Oh, look at, you're a dinosaur right now.
He was growling, he wasn't sure.
It's probably because of the hat. Look at, he's like a T-Rex. Look at his tail hair. Hi, Timber. Hi, big boy. Hey. Hi. Hi, big boy. Come here, Briggy. Come here. Up. Briggy, up. Briggy, up. Yeah, good girl. Say hi. Say hi, Briggy. And there we have it. I am done cleaning the car today. I said the car today. And I am dead tired, so I'm probably gonna go rest up. Thank you for joining me today on this not so adventurous day, but just an update vlog. Thank you for joining my vlog. See you guys. Peace out.